This is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear. We are at InfoComm 26. Over here we have a case called PRADO. PRADO is a broadcasting case that is made with two 12-view rack mounts, a slam door side, a slam door on the side. So in order for you to use it, it's literally you just need one hand, put the doors sliding. It does have a front access drawers as well. So you could put your keyboards, you could put all your equipment over here. Same over here we have on the other side as well. Amazing product. Also on the top we have two 6 space. We have a working space area, and also you could put two 27-inch monitors on the top. You could adjust this angle, and very easy to open and close it. Take a look at the back side. In the back of the item, you have a lid that it covers the rear door, the rear side, and this side, the table, it turns to the side table as well. So also in the front and the back, you have a side storage that you could put product or equipment as well. If you have any questions, check proxdirect.com. PRADO.